REST Web Services interview questions in the whiteboard background for 10 minutes. Hello and welcome to this video where we will be discussing some common interview questions related to REST Web Services. Question 1. What are RESTful web services? RESTful web services are a type of web service that adhere to the principles of representational state transfer, REST. They are designed to be stateless, scalable, and interoperable. Question 2. What are the main components of a RESTful web service? The main components of a RESTful web service are the resource, the URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, the HTTP methods, GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, and the representation of the resource, usually in JSON or XML format. Question 3. What is the difference between SOAP and REST web services? SOAP, Simple Object Access Protocol, is a protocol that uses XML for communication between applications. It is more rigid and has a heavier overhead compared to REST. REST, on the other hand, is lightweight and uses simple HTTP protocols for communication. Question 4. What is the importance of HTTP methods in RESTful web services? HTTP methods play a crucial role in RESTful web services. They define the actions that can be performed on a resource. For example, GET is used to retrieve a resource, POST is used to create a new resource, PUT is used to update an existing resource, and DELETE is used to remove a resource. Question 5. What is the purpose of the URI in RESTful web services? The URI, Uniform Resource Identifier, is used to uniquely identify a resource in a RESTful web service. It provides a way to access and manipulate the resource using the HTTP methods. Question 6. What are some best practices for designing RESTful web services? Some best practices for designing RESTful web services include using meaningful resource names, following the principles of HATOAS, hypermedia as the engine of application state, using proper HTTP status codes, and providing consistent and clear documentation. Question 7. How can you secure RESTful web services? There are several ways to secure RESTful web services, such as using HTTPS for secure communication, implementing authentication and authorization mechanisms, and validating user input to prevent security vulnerabilities. Question 8. What are some common challenges faced when working with RESTful web services? Some common challenges faced when working with RESTful web services include handling large amounts of data, ensuring scalability and performance, handling errors and exceptions, and managing versioning and backward compatibility. And that concludes our discussion on REST Web Services interview questions. We hope you found this video helpful in preparing for your interviews. Thank you for watching.